Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into something a lot of you have been asking about, the CapCut Template Creator Program. Is it a legit way to make money? Is it worth the hype? I tried it myself and what I found might surprise you. So what exactly is the CapCut Template Creator Program? In a nutshell, it's CapCut's way of crowdsourcing cool video templates. They want creators like you and me to design templates that other users can easily customize with their own content. Like for example, you create a template in CapCut, submit it, and if it gets approved and used, you earn money. The more your template is used, the more you potentially earn. Sounds easy, right? Okay, so let's start with the good stuff. There are definitely some potential benefits to becoming a CapCut template creator. If you create a template that goes viral, you could earn passive income, but not for a long time. This template, I have created it a year ago, and still, people are using it every day until now. But I don't get any rewards from it anymore. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang proof na marami ang gumagamit nitong template ko halos araw-araw. Umabot na nga ito sa 600k views at 180k plus uses. Makikita natin dito kung ilan yung mga gumagamit ng template ko. Ito, 10 people exported, September 6. Ito sa baba, 13 people exported. Tingnan pa natin yung iba. Ayan o, napakarami. 9 people exported. Scroll pa natin. 18 people exported. 4 people exported. 4 people exported. Then, scroll pa natin. So, 33 people exported. Yan pa o. 21 people exported. 17 people exported. 21 people exported, 15 people exported, 6 people exported. Tingnan pa natin. Ito, isa pang template ko, 50 people exported. Actually, napakarami na ng templates na ginawa ko. Makikita nyo yun sa mga previous videos ko, sa mga tutorials. Kasi ang dami kong ginawang templates. And then, dahil nga hindi ako kumikita, wala namang rewards na binibigay. Ang ginawa ko, dinelete ko na yun lahat. So, eto na lang yung natira na dalawa. For tutorial purposes, tinira ko talaga yung dalawa. Pero the rest, dinelete ko na. Dahil patuloy na ginagamit ng mga TikTok users and mga CapCut users yung templates ko. Pero wala naman ang binibigay na rewards. Ang ipapakita ko naman dito ay ang earning summary. Kung makikita natin dito, 0 yung amount. Yung ibang amount na nakikita nyo dyan, yun pa yung mga previous na earnings or rewards sa mga templates. Pero yung recent days and months, wala talaga. Ito, last 7 days. Titingnan natin for the month of August. Ito yung for the month of August. So, wala. 0. And then yung breakdown nandito sa baba. Ayan, di ba? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 0 lahat. Pero nakita niyo naman kanina ang daming exports ng templates ko. You know, it's a fun way to express your creativity and share your video editing skills with the world. If your templates are popular, you could gain a lot of exposure and attract new followers to your other social media channels. Like me, my followers here grown to 6,100 followers with 28k likes. Alright, now for the not so glamorous side. There are some significant challenges to be aware of. The competition is fierce. There are thousands of creators vying for attention. So your templates need to be really good to stand out. Getting your templates approved can be tough. CapCut has strict guidelines, and many templates get rejected for seemingly copyrighted reasons. Now this is the big one. While some creators are making good money, many are earning very little. And the worst, no earnings at all. The payout per use can be quite low, especially for less popular templates. You might spend hours creating a template that ends up generating only a few dollars. And it's important to manage your expectations. So let's talk about some of the darker sides of the program that people don't often discuss. Some creators have reported issues with rewards. They don't receive any rewards. It's important to do your research and understand the platform. Be extremely careful about using copyrighted music or video clips in your templates. Creating high-quality templates takes time and effort. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. So after all that, if you're still interested in trying the CapCut Template Creator Program, it's up to you. So, 100 of templates ang nagawa ko dito sa CapCut Template Creator Program. And ang total cash rewards na naibigay sa akin is $14. Yun lang. Ang na-withdraw ko dyan is $10. So, yung available balance na $4.84, hindi na mawi-withdraw yan. Thanks for watching and sana nakatulong ito sa inyo.